Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to disable or remove the logged in password in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, at the bottom search bar, type on settings. And the moment you have typed it, wait until a message should appear, which is the settings system itself. Once it's here, click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Now, once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that where you can see there a list of options. Here, you need to look for accounts. Click on it, and the moment you click on it, you would be able to bring up the accounts tab where here you need to scroll down and look for account settings. Here you can see there your info, sign in options, link devices, email and accounts, family, other users, and more. And since we'll be changing or disabling our logged in password, we need to proceed with sign in options. Click on it, and there you would be able to see the password as well as the Windows pin hello. So if you have set your password in pin, you can select on it. Okay, and if you have set it into password, then you can select on it. But in case you don't see your password options here, the reason why is that you have turned it on. Because when you turn it on and when you navigate to the accounts, okay, and when you go with sign in options, you won't be able to see that. So it is very crucial to turn it off. And the moment you have turned it off, navigate again to accounts, click on it again, scroll down, go with sign in options, and there you have that. You have seen their password. So let's say, for example, you have set your password. So click this down arrow and go with change. So click on this change, and there you would be able to set up, or it will ask you to type your current password. You just have to type for it. And if you have seen the window where you can set your password, okay? So making sure it is you like this. So type your current password. So the moment you have typed it, you just have to wait here. You just have to leave all of this blanks, which is you just have to type your current password first. And here in the new password, you need to leave that blank. Once you're done, click on next. And there you have that you would be able to remove the sign in or the logged in password in your Windows. Okay? So hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.